Hi guys, welcome to another weekly look at the charts. First of all, we're going to be looking at the US dollar currency index, or otherwise known as a Dixie. If we look to the left over here, we can see where the Dixie has started to build up in strength, since the early part of the year, hitting or creating a good strong support resistance level. Dollar failed, broke down, broke through, came back down, but each time we were creating new higher highs and new higher lows. Continued the strong move up, and now we look like the dollar is starting to decline the last quarter of the year. We can see where it's broke through this strong support resistance area, and if we zoom in slightly, we can see it's just pulled back. This may be a retest prior to a further move down. If that's the case, looking at the week ahead, we can start looking at some more charts. The euro dollar is looking to break out of a downward trend. We've had a good break of the channel. If we look at the 4-hour chart, last week we were talking about this bullish flag. We broke through, we've pulled back, and now we're looking for pullback to either the 1.101 area or a bit further down to 1.100 area. I believe that once it gets to this area, we should see a continued move to the upside and eventually aiming for the 1.110 area. Moving on, if we look at the pound CAD, we can see the pound has started to gain some slight strength, even though overall the pound is in a downward trajectory. Looking at the chart here, we can see a good Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4. We've just completed wave 5, and we may see an ABC correction. If we're just looking closer, it looks like this wave may pull down, might go slightly lower, might go slightly higher, but around this area looking for a bounce to the upside. Here we are, 1.659 area, and that may continue the move upwards. However, we need to bear in mind that the pound can suddenly change direction on a whim. If we look to the left, this would complete the valley pattern. Look at the pound dollar. Overall, the pound dollar has been in a downwards trend, and this has been going on for quite a while. Overall, though, it looks like in the short term we look to be breaking new higher highs, but I still believe that this pound may fall further before we get a true strength in the price. Looking into next week, we may be seeing some sideways action between the 1.27 and 1.25 area. We may see here price rejection. It may retrace to the 1.25 area prior to a further move to the upside. But overall, I believe that we're still in a strong downtrend, and this may be just a wave up prior to completion of the wave down before we turn. We have got two significant lows here, which again could be a turn in the market, a double bottom, but I don't think the money's in the market just yet. I think short term though, a pullback to move higher, but around here, the 127, I think the market may pull back regardless of the Brexit decision. New Zealand yen, the New Zealand dollar has been forming a nice double bottom. We did have, it looked like a head and shoulders pattern here, but we've broke the neckline and we're moving upwards. Again, I think we're looking for a pullback prior to a move to the upside. The yen may start weakening soon, to do with the China trade talks, etc. New Zealand Swiss franc, we're looking here at a nice channel slowly moving to the upside. We've hit a bottom, maybe a double bottom, but we've got wave 1, wave 2. This could be potentially wave 3 forming. We may have a pullback, small pullback. If we look to the left around this busy, noisy area where the market topped slightly, a pullback to the 0.63 area, and then a continued move to the upside, maybe to complete this channel and wave 3. Well, there's a lot of charts in the coming days to be looking at, guys, but these are our 5 main charts we are following, and let's see how the market starts out this evening, Monday morning. Any questions or comments, please get in touch, and if possible, please like us on YouTube.